Chico. You ready to go skating? Let's go. Hey everyone, so I am going to be roller skating with my dog Django today, and we already tried it out in a tennis court that didn't have a net in it, so we could actually skate around. It was a smooth, flat surface, and it actually went really well. So I'd like to try skating with him on a street, and I have him in a neighborhood right now that's not very busy. The pavement is really smooth, so I think that this could actually go really well. We'll see how it goes. Sees another dog. He's actually being really good, being really patient. Good boy, Django. Good boy. He's so good. Good boy. Good boy, baby. I just got finished skating Django, and he did so good. So we went on a little bit busier area, so we went to a street in a neighborhood, and he did great. And we even had some distractions, like there was a couple ladies running, and there was a lady walking her dog, and there was a lady walking her baby in a stroller. And Django is a very social dog, so he just wants to be friends with everybody. And so whenever we see somebody, he has to like stop and say hello, which we did stop and say hello to some people, but for the most part we kept going, so that's really good. Once again, thank you for watching my video, and I hope to be making more roller skating videos for you in the future, because roller skating is the best. It's great for stress. This is a stressful time for a lot of people, and I think that it can really benefit you, and it's really fun. It's great exercise, and when you can do it with your best friend like your dog, it's even better. Cheers. Everybody have a great day. Bye.